All right, the email is out in AGN. Risk management, everybody. This is all about risk management. We're traders, we're not investors. Square was downgraded today. Just on a side note, guys. If this thing gets down to the 200-day moving average, which is about 68 and change or so, we are looking for an entry there. Definitely looking for an entry around 68. Beautiful. There we go. $1.50 in AGN, guys. Bam. Bam. Over 100% overnight. Michael, 155. There you go. Love that. Love that. Nicely done, everybody. $162, Eli? Come on. You're kidding me. I don't even have my offer in yet. Look at that. This thing is just dropping out of bed. That is awesome.